So just a little update on what is going on with the leftover roasted chicken. I picked the bird, all the stuff off the carcass, and just put all the bones and skin and stuff into a pot with some water and simmered it down for quite a while. And what I got left is this beautiful stock, which I'll use for more soup and other things too. Just gonna strain it here. Get all that stuff out. And what you have left is a beautiful, beautiful thing. It's just this super flavorful chicken stock. Again, use it for a base as soup. What I don't use, I'm just gonna freeze and then use for whatever, wherever, whenever. After it cools, the fat will come to the top and I'll just peel that off. After it gets cold, it'll sort of be like jelly almost. I couldn't resist making a little soup anyway, so I used some of the first batch of runoff and into a big block of jellied chicken stock, and this is really intensely flavored. So I just put some of this in some water and added some vegetables and some pieces of spaghetti and chunks of chicken, and I got this great soup, the first batch of soup. So I'm just gonna have some of that for dinner tonight, and will be great, hot and fresh. I put some zucchini in there, some of the green beans, carrots, onion, celery, and it's more like stew, really, chicken stew. And that looks great, I think. It's gotten a little colder, coming up on fall a little bit, and so that's perfect. I don't have any bread, no, but that's okay. So it'll just be soup. Soup, there's lovely chunks of chicken that I just peeled off the bone. Really good flavor. And I mean, the soup, the stock is just so full of flavor because of that intensely flavored stuff I had. And I got a lot more chicken meat left too. All this that I'll use for something, make chicken salad maybe, make chicken tetrazzini, some kind of casserole perhaps, or just sliced chicken sandwiches. I don't know. But anyway, you roast a chicken and you can eat off of it for days, which is what I'm gonna be doing. So stay tuned.